This is Mark with ARAC Roof It Forward, starting my roof inspection at 575 Wyncourtney. This is an old 3-tab shingle showing lots of wear as well as lots of storm damage. So I'm just going to circle around real quick and show some of the issues. Here we've got a nail punched through, so that's an area opportunity for water. Wind blew this shingle off the end, and I'm coming down the front. As you can see down there, there's some wind damage above the garage, and I put some light chalk marks on the wind damage that I found on the front slope, which is pretty considerable. It's more than 20, and you can see how rough these shingles are as far as degranulation. More missing shingles, just a whole bunch up here, and these are cracked, you can see, so that would be considered wind damage and a failed shingle as well. And coming down over here, same thing, another cracked shingle just barely hanging on. Coming up around the back, chimney looks okay, looks flashed properly, don't really see any issues with that. Back gutters are stuffed, so that could be an issue down the road if you don't get them cleaned out regularly. And on the back side, we've got some wind damage and again a lot of degranulation. And here we've got exposed nails, which these nail heads will rust off and leave a hole. This pipe boot, what we call this has become unseated, and so there's a gap big enough for me to stick my finger underneath, so that needs to be addressed and sealed back down tight. So coming back over here towards the top, with this much storm damage and the age of the roof, I think insurance should cover this one. And since it's so brittle, I think repairs would be difficult, and I believe insurance would say it's irreparable at this stage, and we should do a replacement, and we'd be glad to meet them and work for that. Again, this is Mark, Roof It Forward. We'll see you on the ground.